As the principal of the school, I am thrilled to share how transformative the recent project has been for Aboobakuru School. The upgraded facilities, modern resources and specialized support are already making a profound impact on our students. Our teachers are energized and better equipped, and the inclusive environment we have created is allowing every student to reach their full potential. My heartfelt thanks to the Government of Maldives, the Indian government, the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and the Indian High Commission in the Maldives. I would also like to extend my appreciation to the Department of Inclusive Education for their relentless support and meticulous oversight, which have been crucial in turning this project into a reality. Your unwavering support and kindness are beautifully shaping a brighter, more hopeful future for our school community.
As the leading teacher of the Inclusive Support Unit, I would like to say that the project will directly benefit our students in various ways. Firstly, these facilities will enhance learning environment. With improved infrastructure, students will enjoy a more comfortable and conducive learning space, which can significantly enhance their focus and engagement. At the same time, it will help to provide inclusive education in our school. The new facilities and support systems are designed to cater to diverse learning, ensuring that every student, regardless of their abilities, has access to quality education and support. Similarly, students will get opportunity to access to modern resources. Upgraded resources and materials will enrich the learning experience, providing students with tools and technology needed to excel academically. Mostly, we need qualified trained teachers. The professional development and training provided to teachers will lead to more effective teaching methods and personalized support, helping students reach their full potential. Lastly, improved support services will help students learning. Specialized support units will offer additional help to students who need it, ensuring that they receive the tailored assistance required for their academic and personal growth. Finally, this inclusive support unit will increase motivation and confidence in students. A better learning environment and supportive infrastructure will boost students' motivation and confidence, encouraging them to actively participate and take pride in their educational journey.
Teachers at Aboobakuru School are overwhelmed with happiness and joy for the newly provided facilities. The upgraded infrastructure and enhanced resources have greatly enriched our teaching environment and renewed our dedication to creating an inclusive and supporting learning atmosphere. We are deeply appreciative of the support and training which empower us to better meet the diverse needs of our students. This transformative change fills us with hope and excitement for the future of education at our school.
We are deeply grateful to the Indian High Commission in the Maldives for wholeheartedly supporting Aboobakuru School. Your efforts in renovating our facilities and training our teachers reflect a beautiful commitment to nurturing inclusive education and making a truly positive difference in our students' lives.
As a St. teacher at Aboobakuru School, I am thrilled to have such a resourceful classroom for our students. My heartfelt thanks to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for playing a crucial role in the renovation and development of our school. Your dedication to enhancing educational infrastructure and fostering inclusivity is deeply appreciated.
As a teacher of Inclusive Support Unit, I extend my heartfelt thank you to the Indian government for selecting Aboobakuru School as an inclusive support unit. Your commitment to enhancing education and providing vital resources is making a meaningful difference. We deeply appreciate your dedication to inclusive education.
Thank you to the Ministry of Education for your exceptional support in upgrading Aboobakuru School. Your investment in infrastructure, teacher training, and necessary facilities is paving the way for a brighter and more inclusive future for students.